Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Doorbell with Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Ring Doorbell is fully charged and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Ring app and create an account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to set up your Ring Doorbell. Select Set up a device and choose your Ring Doorbell model. Scan the QR code on your device or manually enter the serial number. Connect the Ring Doorbell to your Wi-Fi by entering your network password. Wait for the app to confirm the connection, then complete the setup. Next, enable the Alexa app on your device. Open the Alexa app and tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. From the list of device types, choose Security Cameras or Doorbells. Scroll and find Ring and select it. Sign in to your Ring account when prompted. Allow the necessary permissions for Alexa to access your Ring Doorbell. Finish the linking process to integrate Ring with Alexa. Now, you can use voice commands to access your Ring Doorbell through Alexa. Try commands like Alexa, show me the front door, or Alexa, answer the front door. Ensure your Echo device is compatible and within range for the best. Customize your settings within both the Ring and Alexa apps for notifications and alerts. Test the setup to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless interaction between your Ring Doorbell and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.